What is up, everyone? I am yours truly, Uncle Justin. Right now I am on my way for a little walk to the pharmacy, Pharmacy 1, to deliver a backpack to Lani. Hopefully after that we'll do a little bit of grocery shopping. Well, not grocery shopping, vegetable shopping. Gonna hit up some of the vendors around here, see what we can find. And I'm noticing a new sign here in the neighborhood. I'll try to translate that, not sure what all it says. And these gentlemen are still hard at work out here building this house. Man, they're out here pretty much every day working on it. As you can see, they got a very large delivery. Cylinder blocks. And now I must take a shortcut that my nephew taught me about. Just cut right through here. Gotta say, every time I take little shortcuts like that, it reminds me of being young and having fun as a kid back home in Texas. Taking the shortcuts, exploring, finding all the paths that not many other people knew were around. It's kind of fun. So walking down this little road, I see something that I see every once in a while. People will set out things like plants, buckets, just pieces of concrete. And they're essentially, what they're doing is blocking people from parking right there on the road. Hi, Pusa! And of course, when people park right there, it ends up blocking their driveway access, so they block the road. Hi, Mr. Osso. I saw you down there howling. Yeah. I bet you keep the neighbors up at night, huh? Or are you just a watchdog? Is that what it is? Oh, watchdog. Mighty, mighty watchdog. Well, thank you for your service. That dog likes to make noise. Right up there, we see a man risking life and limb to work on this house. What's he doing? Ah, he's painting. Oh my gosh. If you look way up there at the top, let me zoom in again. That right there is a basketball court on top of their house. Right above where that guy's painting. That's pretty cool. All right. Onward. Over here, this guy's had a sign for a little restaurant. Benalog and Sea-Log. Benalot and Sea-Log. Two of the more common meal choices around here. Right here in the neighborhood is a mechanic. They'll vulcanize, change your oil, change your tire, change your battery. They got spare parts and minor repairs. Heck yeah. You never know what you're gonna find in these little neighborhoods. All these businesses just kind of spring up. Anyhow, back to the main road. Walking on to Lani's little pharmacy. We'll see. So I'm sure this has happened to everyone at some point. It's happening to me right now. You're just walking around minding your own business, and then you get this eerie feeling like something's about to go wrong. I hate that. Personally, I can't think of anything else that could go wrong, because everything that could go wrong has gone wrong and has been dealt with. Couldn't possibly be anything else. What's up, man? Hey, good to see you. Hey, bro. These guys. This right here is my favorite car wash. What's up, man? All right. Those guys, they always do a good job. 150 pesos. Every time we take our truck in there, it comes out sparkling clean. Really like that place. Has a tricycle banging out some tunes. I think some of the sound systems in those tricycles are probably worth more than the tricycle itself. Some. Most tricycles don't have that sound system. It's kind of interesting. Empty lot. Turned it into a parking lot. Might as well. This is one of the water filling stations where we get our filtered water. Hey, what's up, man? Ever so often they come around in little tricycles like that. They'll pick up your empty containers, bring them to the refilling station, they clean them, refill them, and bring them back out to your house. What's going on? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's your blood name?
Uncle Justin.
Uncle Justin.
Uncle Justin. That's funny. You know, I've said this in other vlogs, and I'm gonna say it again, and I'll probably say it a million more times. The best part about the Philippines is the people. They're always friendly. There's always something to laugh about. There's always something to eat, even if it's just rice. Everybody's willing to share. It's just a great community of people. We'll see. Hey, what's up, man? The glass and aluminum supply. Rush hour is coming upon us. Traffic's what's up? Traffic's starting to pick up. Pretty cool. We're almost to the pharmacy. And more construction noise. Hey guys. Well, as we approach Pharmacy 1, we can see our competitor and now nemesis, World Pharmacy. Right over there. Company that we are having to compete with now. And we made it. Laredo Pharmacy. Let's see. Well, here we are, walking down the road. Lani has noticed this place being closed possibly for rent. I don't know how much the rent would be for a store. But like I say, we've been facing a lot more competition than what we're used to at Laredo, and you know, a change of location might be good. Lots to consider though. Look at that. It's a good fish. Oh, happy puppy. Hi, puppy. I know. So Lani had said she wants to buy rice and that she has been, here's another Solitas. Eat, drink, and chill. Anyhow, she said she's been buying rice over here, so that's what we're doing. Hello. Another Sodalitas laundry. Huh. It's like laundry and mineral water. Pandan is 55. Last time we got it at 50.
50?
Yep. There is some eatlog, which we are in need of. Looks like they've also got bird seed, bird food. And over there, lots of cat and dog food. And there's Tita shoving that smelly thing up her nose.